Good day to you all. I welcome you all to Qora Digital Cash. If you have been following up my training videos for the past few weeks, then you would love to watch this video. Probably you are wondering if the QDC scraper indicator is actually working as described in all my training videos or not. Okay, so today I have decided to come up with some screenshots and testimonies of some of my subscribers that are using the QDC scraper indicator, so that you guys will see how they are using it and the result they've been able to achieve with it, and how you too can adjust your trading activity in order to give you profitable results. Okay, so I want you to stay calm and watch this video to the end, so that you guys will understand exactly how to use this amazing indicator successfully. But first, if you are new on this trading platform, I welcome you all to Qora Digital Cash. This is the platform which I used to share with you my ideas on how you can make some money for yourself online, most especially in the forex niche. Okay, so feel free to browse through my channel, watch some of my video clips. They are all training videos that can get you started immediately. Okay, make sure you practice and perfect your skills first on your demo account before trying them out on your real account. This is very vital and essential for you to know. Okay, and also, if you love my videos, can you give me thumbs up and share with families and friends? If you have any question about any of my videos, or probably you would like to know more about my trading activities, or you would like to know more about any of my trading tools, feel free to contact me. My contact details are on the screen, and I'll be dropping them in the description box below this video. And also, do not forget to join the Telegram channel, so that you can download some freebies that are posted there for you guys to download. Okay, so quickly we'll be okay. Before we go into what we have for today, if you are yet to subscribe to this channel, then you are missing a lot, because you won't be notified each time I upload a training video like this. So kindly check below this video for the subscription button, click on it, and also click on the notification bell beside it, so that you can be notified each time I upload a new video. Okay, so let's move on to the trading platform to check out what is happening in the market. It's a Monday morning, so let's see what is happening in the market before we go into what we have for today properly. At the moment, we're starting with boom 1000, and I'm using the signal indicator to do my analysis here. Okay, boom 1000 has been going up and down at each of these supports, major support and resistance level. As you can see from here, you will see a major support level here, which led to these spikes happening here. It got to this resistance level and it started coming down. You can see the blue line shows the uptrend, but when it got to this resistance level, it started coming down, and the blue line changes to yellow line, which led to a downtrend, which got to this level, and which is also a support level, and this led to another uptrend again. But right now it has gone on downtrend, and after getting to this support level, went on uptrend, and this time around it is going on downtrend again. So we expect it to start going back on uptrend at somewhere here. So if you're having the signal indicator or any of this indicator this morning, then I expect you to have milked the market successfully using this strategy. Okay, so let's check out what is happening with crash 1000. Crash 1000, I'm using the crusher indicator for this. Okay, let me take it back a bit. You can see that it is more of uptrend than downtrend. Okay, for instance, somewhere here we got our buy arrow for us to buy, but it got confirmed a bit late. But if even at that, it still give us 16 minutes candles before the crash happened. Then we got another one, another buy signal here. It was on red region. Then we have to wait for it to get to the green area. Okay, it's got there right here, and you can see this actually gave us about 70-minute candles, which is amazing. After getting to that resistance level, it led to these two crash down, and that was on the red, and right now we've gotten a new buy signal, but just got confirmed not quite long, and already it has given us 8 minutes candles. I expect it to crash down somewhere here, except if it is broken. If it is broken, then we should be looking at somewhere at the top here. So I want you to do your analysis very well before you jump into any of the trades. So we'll be looking at boom 500 quickly using the QDC scraper indicator. Okay, for boom 500, you can see that it's been on uptrend for a very long time. It has been spiking and spiking. If you should check it out, the uptrend started from here, and it has been spiking and spiking and spiking till it got to this level. Right now it has started the downtrend. You can see the sell arrow, you can also see the drop down arrow, and it is going down, but at the moment it is telling us that we should exit the market for now, because a spike may likely happen any moment from there, but the market is still on downtrend. So this is the way it works. Okay, so let's check out crash 500. For crash 500, we are using the NT indicator. It's been on long uptrend, but this time around it is coming down gradually. So let's see if it will eventually go back on downtrend, because the color of the candle is yet to change to yellow, but as you can see it's reversing at the moment. So I'll be stopping there with my analysis. So we'll be going back to what we have for today, which is amazing trading results from students trading boom and crash. Okay, so and remember, if you have any question, feel free to contact me. My contact details are on the screen, and if you are yet to subscribe to this channel, kindly do so now. So let's go back into what we have for today. Okay, quickly I want to say this. After doing the QDC, after creating some video content on QDC scraper indicator to train people on how to use it successfully and how to use it to trade spikes. Okay, some of my subscribers have been asking me to show some results of students that they've seen me trading live and direct before several times using the QDC scraper indicator, and they've seen my results, they've seen all that they would like to see. If the students or some of these subscribers are also duplicating the same effort or the same results I am also getting. Okay, I asked a few of them to send some of the screenshots to me so that we can analyze the market together, and I have them saved in this folder. So let's see if they have actually been making profit or not. Okay, so you can see this is the folder I used to save all the results from all my students. You can see I've got lots of them. If I should keep on picking them up one after the other, then that means we'll be spending more hours in this video, but I'm not going to do that. So I'll just go straight to this 2021 QDC 3 to see what we have from people that are there. Okay, so let's check out what we have there right now. Okay, so these are some of the results I got from my students, so we're going to be checking them out one after the other. So let's see what they have to say. You can see this person actually trades spikes in crash. Okay, you can see the entry point here, and you can see how far it went. This is still the trade. You can see so many crashes that happen. Okay, you can see, hello brother, thanks very much. This is the fruits of your labor from your channel. I am very thankful of you now. I am not afraid of trading spikes. God bless you with your kind heart. Thank you very much. I'm really happy to see this. It's actually showing us the screenshot from the mobile setup. He placed the order on the PC using the QDC scraper indicator. Okay, and he's monitoring it from his mobile setup. So I'm really happy to hear this from this particular. Okay, you can see this is another one. You can see the entry point for spikes trading. That is, this happened after the series of training on how to trade spike using the QDC scraper indicator. Okay, you can see that people are already trying them out. This actually gave this particular person the first crash, the second, third, fourth, and it is still going. So let's see more. Okay, you can see this is the continuation. You can see that it is a real account. You can see the badge here. So you can see this is the continuation. Just some few minutes after placing the order, it started crashing and crashing down. Okay, you can see these are some of the this is a result from another person. This person actually took a very long trade for crash. He bought crash with 5.0 and made $46. That's crash 1000. That means he's making, let's do, I want to know the number of minutes spent in the market so that you guys will understand what we are talking about. He actually made how much? $46.94, and he's trading boom, I mean crash 1000. So that means with 5.0 lot size, he will be getting $2.5 per minute. Okay, so that is 46.94 divided by 2.5. Okay, that means this particular person actually spent more than 18 minutes trading that particular asset. Just a single asset gave him $46.94. The second one, which was boom 500, gave him $26.23. The third one gave him $54.34. You can see that he is spending more time in the market. But check out this will amaze you. Crash 1000, he used 2.0 and he made $50.30. So let's check it out. $50.30, that means he's making $1 per minute. So 50.30, that is about 30 minutes. I mean, okay, that is about 50 minutes 30 seconds. Okay, divided by 1, so you're going to see that 50 minutes 30 seconds. Okay, trading a particular asset. Isn't that amazing? Isn't that amazing? So you can see being in the market for 50 minutes is not a joke. It is amazing. Okay, so he actually took his time to go through it, study the QDC scraper indicator, understood the way it works before trying it out on the real account. And you can see this is what I used to tell you. You don't need to open so much trade for you to achieve so much at the end of the day. This is just 4 trades, and in total he was able to make $177, which is amazing. If you should do your calculation in Nigerian currency, okay, 177, if you are withdrawing with Bitcoin, that is about $500 per 500 naira per dollar. So let's multiply it by 500. That should be giving you 88,500 naira, which is amazing, just within minutes or in less than 24 hours. And he has been able to make this. So I love this. So let's see more. Let's see more. Okay, this is another one. You can see this particular person made $241, which is amazing. You can see all the results, they are blues, and I'm really happy that this is actually happening to some of these students. Okay, let's check out this screenshot. Okay, good day, Mr. Samuel. I can't stress how wonderful I'm feeling. Today I managed to withdraw $320. Thank you so much for your indicator. May God bless you. You can see that this particular person, you can see deposited $250. Let me zoom it out a bit so that you will see it. Deposited $250, took it up to $570, and he withdrew 570. He withdrew $570. Okay, he took it up above that, and he withdrew $570, and leaving a few amount of the money in the in his account. Okay, so this is amazing. This is amazing. I'm really happy to see this also. And you can see This is another result from another person making $501. I mean, increasing his trading profit to 501. And okay, let's see more. Okay, you can see that particular person actually left $250 in his account. From $250 he has taken it to $501, and is still hoping to push it down to $1,000. You can see that he is actually making so much effort with this. He has been able to withdraw over $500 from this trading platform, and I'm really happy that people are now being educated, just the way I wanted them to be educated in this forex trading platform. People are now making money and withdrawing a bit of it into their bank account and leaving the rest to trade. Okay, they are growing their trading capital, and they are also withdrawing from this trading platform. So let's see more. Okay, I think that is all. So you can see that real people are making real money from this trading platform. So let's see the exact indicator they have been using. Okay, this is the indicator they have been using, QDC scraper indicator. It helps us to know the exact trend of the market at that particular moment. We have two indicators showing us the exact trend of the market at the particular time. We have the one in the middle here, then we have this one, the candle indicator on the main chart. We also have the one that helps us to know the general trend of the market. Once you know the general trend of the market, which is this QDC trend scraper indicator, once you know the general trend of the market, then you will be able to follow the signal that supports the trend. How do you know the signal that supports the trend? That is where the arrows is coming in. So you need to understand the way this actually works so that you can make so much profit with it at the end of the day. So if you have missed my training videos on any of these, you can go back to my channel and watch some of my latest training videos to understand the way the QDC scraper indicator works. And if you have any question, feel free to contact me. My contact details are on the screen, and I will be dropping them in the description box below this video. And also, if you are yet to subscribe to this channel, kindly do so now. Watch out for my next video. Until then, God bless you.